This here is actually not a client's car. This is actually our very own shop car here at Tint Pros and Platinum Auto Wraps. So behind me is actually a G99 M5 Touring in Laguna Seca Blue. And this exact car was actually showcased at SEMA at Ultrafit's booth. And yes, it is as crazy in person as it is on camera. When we first purchased this car, it was completely stock. And as you guys can see, we fully transformed this car. We have carbon fiber bits everywhere. We actually have a full custom exhaust, custom wheels, paint match roof box. We actually have it lowered on lowering springs, carbon fiber side skirts, and a bunch of carbon bits on the front end as well. Before we even added on any of the carbon bits, the first thing that we actually did was put on paint protection film, specifically Ultrafit paint protection film. This entire car is laid out with PPF. Even the windshield is covered with paint protection film with Ultrafit's Windcrest Evo. Because here's the truth, if you just bought a new vehicle off the lot, your number one priority should not be wheels, should not be carbon fiber, or should not even be lowering springs. The first thing you guys should do is actually paint protection film. You're driving your car on the road, there's gonna be unpredictable events that could ruin your paint. And the thing about modern paint is that it's actually much more softer than ever. Because let's be honest, once your paint is damaged and you try to repaint it, it's just not gonna be the same as it was factory. And another point is, this Laguna Seca Blue is such a phenomenal color, and we are trying our best to protect it as much as we can on the road. Think about it, you're putting a lot of hard work into your car, and your car is basically an investment. Why would you not protect it in the first place? I can't stress this enough. If you're picking up a new car, make protection your first move. We are going to show you now how we protected this car from top to bottom here at Tint Pros and Platinum Auto Wraps.
You know, it's kind of crazy. This is actually my first time driving this M5 wagon. I actually really like it. Obviously, you know that I'm a huge Beamer boy. And I like big body Beamers, and this is really, really big. First wagon BMW I've driven, but the whole story of this is Trit ordered this car and spent over 6 figures on it, and when he got it, I was like, do you even like the car? He was like, no. I was like, what the hell, you spent 100 grand on it, over 100 grand, and you don't like it? He's like, it's whatever, it's just another car. But then he ended up actually liking the vehicle. And he almost sold it to a ball player since it was a one of one. A lot of people wanted it, but he ended up keeping it and actually enjoying it. But yeah, that was kind of like what kind of happened with this car. We didn't even drive it. He didn't even drive it that much this year. He kind of just was driving the Cybertruck quite a bit, and this was shipped out to Vegas for SEMA. So, and then by the time it got back, it was already getting pretty cold and started snowing, and obviously you can't drive it. Obviously you see it's still winter. We're driving on summer tires right now, but it's been super nice here in Minnesota. I think it was like 40 degrees yesterday. Just think about about 2 weeks ago, it was negative 40, negative 50 degrees. It's just wild how the temperature changes here in Minnesota. So the car scene, it kind of dies out during the winter time. So everyone's kind of excited to take their vehicle out when it gets nice like this. The car guys look forward to. So, but yeah, that's kind of the whole story.
hope you enjoyed this video as much as we enjoyed transforming this vehicle. This G99 M5 Touring basically represents what we do here at Tint Pros and Platinum Auto Wraps. Whether it's a new vehicle or a daily driver, we treat it as if it's our very own vehicle. Whether you're thinking about protecting your vehicle or if you're thinking about transforming the looks of it, please give us a call. I'll leave all the contact information down below in the description. And we'll see you next time at Tint Pros.